So as we said, the use of drones has had a tremendous growth. I mean, drones are available everywhere these days. They're used for personal use, such as you'll be able to get a small, very small, even handheld drone, which you can use for taking videos. They're also being used in goods delivery, for instance, Amazon Prime. Domino's has also been using drones to deliver pizza for to their customers, and drones have definitely been used in military to surveillance and to undertake missions, and they've also been used in communication. They've used in construction, uh, which is one area um, which is going to actually benefit more uh, with when the drone technology actually continue to increase. They've also been used in agriculture, which is another very good field that is benefiting in in, in drone use because of very large farms and very large scale farms which you will need to spray, for instance. If you need to have uh, low cost, then drone utilization is being used in this particular field. So why are we using drones? Why are they popular? It's because of the very many advantages uh, involving drone use, such as low cost, such as safety, expandability, which basically means that whatever happens to the drone, for instance, if it's going on a on a dangerous mission, for instance, it's better for you to lose a drone rather than losing a life or something like that. We have It's also lightweight, and it's very fast in terms of moving from one point to another. So some related works has been done in literature. There is some work on rescue drones is already available out there in the literature. Drones have been used for in collapse building, for example, for rescue. They've been used in chemical plants. These are places where it's very dangerous for someone to go in, or a rescue personnel to go in person and do the rescue operation. Then we send drones to go inside and do the rescue or deliver services. So we also have drone base station, as we talked about previously, where we provide cellular networks or cellular coverage to a particular area where we have a large concentration of people. Also, drones have been used for accident scene mapping to be able to get a complete look of the scene and try to understand exactly what happened to in that particular scene. So what is the motivation behind this work? So the demand for better, faster critical situation management system is the main motivation. We are trying to cut down the critical situation response time. Why? Because we noticed that as a as the population of a smart city, for instance, increases, movement, we're going to have congestion in cities. We're going to have a lot of congestion, and then responding to a critical situation, which is a life-saving uh, a life-saving event, is going to be very, very critical. It's going to be critical for you for the personnel to be able to get to one particular area as fast as possible. So drones are very are fast, as we talked about before, and we can use drones to actually provide this uh, fast needed services, this life-saving fast needed services, to be able to rescue or to provide services um, to provide services to an accident scene so we will continue in the next video with discussing about the challenge.